How to avoid fake reviews on Amazon. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Amazon. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, move into any of the product that you want to purchase. Right here you can see it says best seller. Simply move into this product. If you scroll down, tons of different reviews will be visible to you. You can also see the rate given to this product. All you want to do is tap on copy link. Once the link has been copied, now go back and head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, you need to search for www.fakespot.com. It will land you on this official page. Now at the top, you need to paste the link that you have just copied, and then click on Analyze. It will analyze your product and give the review of it. So right here you can see fake spot adjusted rating and also the Amazon rating. You can analyze it from here, and if you scroll down, you can see more of the top products that you have searched for. You can simply buy it from this seller if you want to avoid the fake reviews. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.